Hi, Open Forex team. So this is my PA of the day. I scratched my PA, not say. I scratched out Microsoft early because the day that I trade is also pretty long for 2 hours. So I just prioritize my time in the present time, the preciously. Well, seeing that move is really not moving as much, but at the same time, I took the price is a good area, but it's just moving too slow. So I decided to scratch the trade, and then I scratched the trade from here to here. So what made me scratch this trade because it was taking too long, and also the way I traded was not super prepared in it because I just went quick and out. Well, I did a really quick checkup because on the daily why I want to go for the sell and explain why. So why I go for the sells because there might be a chance to go on the secondary that I wanted to go down here and then give it a try to buy back up. So it did react from this area so I'm super aware that there's a seller potentially will come here, but it's look like it didn't really have a high value over here in the top. So everything on the bottom is very high value for the buy side. And overall the market that I'm seeing right now that I'm checking, we're on the S side, so yeah, I also question this part too, why it didn't go all the way down. And that's another question mark that I have in it too. And yeah, so on a daily, I decided I wanted to go for a sell from there. That very quick analysis in it. And unfortunately, yes, I went to on the 1 hour just to check, and also looking back to the previous two, I was looking for more to sell at this area, and so during the market open, there is a before the market there's an action over here, which is at 6. Let me see, 6. Actually, they want to buy, but they don't want to sell. But there's a high value over here on the sell side, and then I decided to go from here because earlier they wanted to go down, but then seeing all these struggle move so slow, I like what the heck? Why didn't go really fast? They didn't go like as fast as possible. Maybe it was the timing. The timing that I got in, it was not a good timing in it. So and that way, that what made me decide to scratch the trade without losing and let it run for later after a checkup. And my whole goal is still wanted to go for the sales. All of a sudden, when the market started closing on the 1 p.m., which is I wasn't really aware about it right now. So right now I'm checking out. They're actually doing a before market. Let's see. Before the market closed, the buyer of I don't know who made the move, but does have a lot of money in there, and I was high value over here and low value on the sell side. So interesting to see was this going to play out, whether I'm going to whether interesting how it's going to play out, but at the same time, it looked like it is a big giant pro in here. And see where's the high value over here. Start here, top. Still looking at the 1 hour because it's a big move, boom, value, and a higher value. When it higher volume on top, so no low volume, low volume. So eventually it is a big boy. Try to move the market to go down more. Actually, let me see. Check the daily. On the daily is downside, and the weekly is upside, and the monthly is still upside. So still focusing. Definitely waiting for how they gonna react from this area, and especially wait for until it go down, so I could get back up here to have a better price over here and aim it. Yeah, that's basically a quick PA that why I scratched the trade. I'm glad I scratched the trade, so see what was the end of the market is gonna give us for Microsoft. And also I also not just check the Microsoft, I just check the back of the future to see the big boy want to move up or move down. So fortunately that trade was not it was a uncertain. And what can I do better? It's timing would do better for me. And from here, the volume, I think volume is fine over here, but at the end, and timing, I would have done better on the timing better. So what else? So far, what do I want to say? Or definitely the price. What can I do better is the price. The price is too high for me to take it back. Actually, confirmation. I did have a confirmation on the top on the 5 minutes, and I would take a price right here to go down, a better price, so I could able to. The risk reward will be better. The risk reward will be better. That is very good thoughts that I should think about it. Okay, here. I should take that price from there. Yeah, and then scratch my trade from here with a whole with a 1 hour over here. The thing is that they don't have a trap on the 1 hour, and I'm looking for a trap for 1 hour to over here, and this whole move right here eventually turn to a range. So I think it would be done better is look at the what stage I'm at too, and if I know my stage where I'm at, then I will be better on the trade from there. Let me see what else. Yeah, so far so good. That the trade didn't go that what I expected. And I just scratched my trade. Is better than holding. Then I lose the profit from there. And that's basically it for my PA. If you guys have any feedback or that what I can improve, I appreciate it. I will take a look, and I will also implement right away and from there. Thank you for watching, and that's it. That's my PA.